Okay, it looks like we're live, so welcome back. Today I'm going to be building an IRC client in Rust. This is going to be very similar to the one that I built in Go some time ago. So it's going to be a bit repetitive of that, but that's okay. So it's sort of to compare them. So that is the idea. So let's see, I just did a simple cargo in it, and then we have the hello world. So basically, we're going to need a way to make a TCP connection. So I think there's something called TCP stream in Rust. And I think I think we can use that. Yeah, just like this. So we're gonna need to use a couple of things. Prelude that, okay, and then we'll also need TCP stream. All right. Then okay, stream equals TCP stream connect, and then we're gonna connect to something here, and we're gonna want to unwrap that as well. Yeah, and then that shows writing to it. I'm not gonna worry about that yet. Actually, I'm gonna do this one that we have down here, to check if it's okay. If let, and then this, I want it to be mutable as well. Actually, I don't know. That needs to be an okay. Equals that. Yeah, then we don't need that. And then we can do stuff in here. So I'll just, for now, print line, connected to, and I don't know if this will work, but I want to try doing that. Straight. Okay. Now I need the, Twitch. I'm gonna test it on Twitch because that is the point of it, the goal of it. So I think it's twitch.tv, and then I think we need like something like that. I believe that is the correct port. If I run this, and this is not Go, so cargo run, then all right, we have some issues. Unused import. Okay, that's fine. I'm going to use it. So TCP stream. Did I spell it wrong? Oh, I need to actually import it properly. There we go. So now it should work there. And then, yeah, it wants me to get rid of the mutable, but I'm going to use it, so that's why I put it like that. And there we go. So I think we connected to it. Yes, it says did connect to it. There's the address. Yeah, hopefully that's not anything mine that it leaks. So I do need to be careful about that, because it can, there is some stuff with IRC in which your IP can leak. And then, yeah, we need some way to read from it. So is there something on here about that? Like read. Yeah, I didn't do very much research before starting the stream, so I'm gonna be kind of learning about it as I go along. Alright, yeah, just read. I just want to read like regular read. So you can read like this. I don't know how that works though. Let's see. Is there just a read method? Let's see. Okay. Imitation, yeah. Read. Yeah, there we go. So let's look at that. Read into the specified buffer. Oh, okay. I see. So we can read it into a buffer, and then can we print it out? Okay, so that is the buffer, I suppose. Can I? So we connect to it. I don't think we need to print it out. There we go. And then what I'm gonna want to do is read from it. So stream.read. And can I make a can I do let let's see, so it has to be like an array like that. Buff equals something like that. And then just read it into here. Read into, yeah, equal buff, like that. And then can I print the buff? This might not work. I'm not sure, but I can try. Okay. Okay, the error is, expected that, because that is supposed to be a semicolon, and that's an E. Okay. And expected a comma, okay. And, alright, so we do have some issues. Can I confirm with that? Yeah, I think I have to do something like that, yes. And it did compile, and connected to, oh yeah, we don't have, let's make that connected. We might have to send something before it works then. So, that's why it does this right, yeah? Might have to read out the right as well. But let me just try this. And let's see. Connected. Okay. Let me look at the right. Right. Write a buffer into this writer, showing how many bytes were written. Okay. So it just returns that. Okay. I might want to look at an example of it. All right, let me just do that's TCP stream. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna see a more complete example. Let's see. I'm not gonna be using threads or anything like that though. Oh yeah, this uses threads. I don't need to use that. At least yet, not yet. So stream.write hello world.unwrap. Uh-huh. Okay. So we can just write strings into here. So write text. It needs to be bytes. Oh yeah, I see. Okay. Connected, and yeah. So bind to that. Okay, well I just connect to it. Accept. So how do you let's see, I want to look at TCP stream though. Do I have to use, yeah, I don't want the listener. Here's the client, okay. So, yeah, that's a stream. Okay. So I might have to make a loop then. Alright, I'll try that. We'll try that. Okay, loop, and then dot equal. Okay, try. Try. Okay, I have not used that macro before, so read into the buffer. That is good. Not work. Okay, and then it got equals 0, then break. Okay. Otherwise, I can write. Okay. Not right. Alright, I'm just gonna copy this exactly and then work through it. And then just turn okay. That's all good then. So let me also try to print the buffer. And let's see what happens. So unused one, and then we still have got. Yeah, it's not going. Okay, and we have another one. Oh yeah, okay, so I need to handle this then. Well, hey, there's a few things here. So try. Okay, so it's depreciated, so we can't do that. Yeah, I can just, it's gonna crash then if it fails. That's all good. I don't need this one. Yeah, so we can just unwrap. Whoops, and I completely messed that up. Unwrap. Okay, and get rid of this right there. Alright, and let's see now. And I messed up the... Okay. Add slice. Okay, that's what was used in here, though, yeah. Buff.slice, yeah. So that... it's probably with my... Alright, well, I'll initialize it the same way. In case it is a type issue, and let's see. Okay, expected usize, but found range 2. Okay, so it doesn't like that either, because, there we go. Like that. Okay, it still doesn't like it. So, it's not gonna work then. Okay, that's all fine. Da-da. Do that, and then, yeah, okay, mutable buff. Oh yeah, I need to do that. Okay. Yeah, so this slice doesn't work. And I don't know what the point of this is. What is, I mean, look, so slice in right. Let's see, what is that? I want to look at the function. So when you call that, is it supposed to be a string? So, can I see that? Not the type. Can I search like this? Okay, it doesn't like that. So probably dot as well. Okay. Can I do slice string? Cause is that what it is? No. Okay. Yeah, I don't think as slice is the same thing, so. Alright, can I just send the buffer itself? Yeah, okay, reference to it, sure. Like that. And then connected. So yeah, it's still the same as that though. So it gets stuck. Let's see. Alright, well this actually might show an updated one perhaps? No. Alright, and let's see. See if there is a different example. Not a server though. Okay, so yeah, let's look down here. Read to end. Okay. Alright, well I want to see, so can I get this to output the same thing? Stream not right. Yeah, maybe I should also send some of those things. So I could do that. Because I know I'm going to be sending a few things based actually on the Go one that I built. So I can actually open it up. Let's see. I don't know. Yeah. So we have the logon. So we can send these two things. And we might get a response if we do that. So let me just do stream dot write, and then I will put nick and then nick then user well actually you don't use the user for the quick one, so that's not going to be accurate. And I'm going to need a way to read from a file, a token, so we can use the client token, and I can't reveal that. Hey there, how are you doing? Yeah, so I'm just going to put that in there, and we might get a failure connection. And also I'm going to do this. And let's see. Okay. Yeah, so it did not return failure. Well, we're not reading it properly. So then let's see. So we can write that, and then yeah, so stream.read to string. Can I do that? Let's see. Read equals, yeah, just a string. Can I do that? Can I do that? Mute that and then dot unwrap, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I could probably use something like that as well. That just sends it back, but can I print it out? Buff is not found in this scope. Oh yeah, because I changed, I'll just call it buff. I don't want to change everything. Okay, and then we have some more issues. Found string. Alright, yeah, so the write is not gonna work. That's okay, we don't need to write it. It connects and it still doesn't say anything. So I do if let okay dot equals that, and then do stuff with that. Else break. Okay. Then I want to actually try to print out what we got. Can I print that? Dot. Let's see. Yeah, so it doesn't do anything. Okay. Let's see. Let me try connecting to the Freenode one. Freenode.org. And let's see if that returns anything. Okay. So, yep, that's right. So, right, and then join. Read line. I'll try that. Read line. Read line is not found. So buff read. Okay, so we can't use that one because it's a different thing. So I'll just do dot read, and I will make this it's an array again. Yeah, just like that, and read it into that. Okay. And then we are printing some stuff out. Okay. Okay. So can I print it? Oh, that's the number of bytes received, I suppose. Can we print out what is returned? Oh yeah, we have to print the buffer. Okay. Ooh, okay. Yeah, so we print it out like that. So, how can we print this as, these are the ASCII codes, I assume. Okay. Alright, so, whoa, it's going crazy now. Alright, so let me try. Alright, so I want, basically, last, ASCII code to that. Can I do that? Actually, can I just do as char? Yeah, let me try this. Does that work? Let me try. So then just sort of iterating over it. So instead of printing out the buffer like this, yeah, I can just do the same thing that it's here in, buffer. Well, actually, that might not work. I don't know that you can use char or something like that. But let me try. Oops. And then C.2 digit. C.2 digit. What is the tank for? Unwrap. Okay, and unwrap. It's not work there. Oh, because we need to do it right here, my bad. And let's see. Does not look right. Yeah, that is what I thought. So, actually, can I make this, so it's a U8. Let's see. Okay, and then we fail. Affected mute. Okay, yeah. So it has to be U8. So that's not gonna work. Yeah. So I need to kind of go back to what I was doing. Except we can't do it like that. So, see, 32 minus 48. Can I do that? Let me do, let's convert, array to, because I want to, well, can I do join, actually? Let stir equals buff.join, just like that. Like that. Unsatisfied trait bounds. Alright, I don't know. Let me see. So, convert this to a string. Stir from, okay. Can I do that then? Stir from UTF-8, buff. Yeah, I'll just do that for now. And try to print it. I think I need that. And then print the stir. Can I do that? Yep, need the std standard. Okay. And now, okay. Ooh. Alright. So we did actually, yeah, I don't want to print the buffer out here anymore, but we did get the response. So, and actually it's leaking my IP address, so I don't want to do that. Yeah. You didn't see anything. So that, yeah, let me write the footage, because that one I don't think does that. And I will just, move it over here, just to make sure, just want to make sure. Yeah. That is not good to do. Okay. Right, so it did connect this time, but it did not read anything. I think it is because of the, this probably. So, make sure that that is the right port and everything. what's this? Yeah, so Nick, and then, no, where's the, you know what, that's not in here, so, yeah, that's actually not even worth it. IRC, no. Go IRC, I think it's called. Yeah, in here, yeah, okay. Yeah, so that is right then, irc.trace.t. I just wanted to make sure, and then, and then, yeah, so when I connect to it, where is that? So that's init, but I want connect. No, next. Oh, it's right here. So pass, you have to send the password first. Yes, okay. I do that. The password is not right though, so it's not gonna work. Because I need to actually read it from a file. So I need to actually move the file into here as well. So I'm going to do that on my second monitor so I don't accidentally leak anything. Yeah, so just give me a moment. Okay. Okay, and then I need to ignore it so I don't accidentally. Yeah. Alright, I think I got it working then. Okay, so now I need to read it from the file. So how can I do that? Just basically, let's read file to string. How can I do that? I think actually I did do this before, so it's not very hard to do. Yeah, so this here, this example, I believe it does work. So let me just, I think I can make a function for that. Read to, or read file. Okay. And we just need to take a file into it. Okay, and that is going to be that. Okay. File name. File name. Okay. And then just going to read it like this. So, yeah, just let data equal that read to string file name. And then I'll just unwrap it for now. And then just return data. So I think I can do something like that. And then, so I don't want to print the data but I want to make sure it does read properly. So let me actually try to read a different file. I'm just going to make a file test, and then I will open test. Just write something randomly, and I'm going to try to open that. So let me do that up here then. Yeah. So basically, just print out read file test, and let's see if this will work. And yeah, because I didn't actually return anything, so it's going to return a string, I think. I think it's a string. It might not be a string. Okay, it actually worked. So it read from the file. So that is good. So I can read from. I'm not going to print it out though. I really do not want to print it out. So let me just do let client equals read file. And that is the name of the file. So I need to be very careful not to print that out. It's very important. And then that can be the password. So I think I can do something like this. Nick. Something like that. And then, okay. Client is never used. Can I, let me do that in here, actually. Okay, I might have to, I don't know if you can do it like this. Let me see, so does that fail? Okay, yeah, so that can't format it like that. Let's do plus client. Okay. Because that won't work. So how can I... let me do, Okay, so I think I can... I need to convert it to... Let's convert string to... yeah, 2 bytes. And it needs to also be... Yeah. Rich string. Dot as bytes. Can I do that? As bytes. And right. Not quite. Okay, you just can't add them. I think I can just append it here though. So basically, just do this. That's to string plus that. And then just put that in here as bytes. Okay, and then this says read file. Okay. And then it says connected still. So it still didn't quite work. Client as bytes. So we don't read from it. Alright, I do want to make sure it is sending the right thing though. So I'm going to print it out on my second monitor. So give me a moment. Just gotta make sure. Okay. Okay, I think it is the right thing. It might have a new line at the end though, and I don't know if I can test that. I'm gonna say it's good though, and try to move on. I don't want to put it back there. Okay, and I'm not printing it anymore. So, yeah, all right, all good. So now I'm gonna look in here. So when I, why do I have a main in here? Yeah, let's try to join one. So how do you do that again? Join. Yeah, so we can just send this, and we should be able to join a server. So I'll just send it up here. Join, and then I'm going to try to join the chat here. Yeah, and I will see what happens. And okay, it still just says connected. So I can try to send a message as well, and see if it is working. Because I feel like we would get a response if it was, but let me actually do that again and then try to send something. Yeah, so it didn't read anything from there, so I don't think it is connected. Let's see, it's that, and then I also want to text. Yeah, because it's connecting but not doing anything. So is there something I'm forgetting to do here? Can we say? Yeah, it does that. That's what I'm doing there. Actually with that colon though. Yeah, so I think it's not connecting properly. I think that is the issue. So let me yeah, example. Yeah, let me see if there is another example. Let's see. Maybe this one is good. Okay. Let's see. Maybe this one. Source. Okay. .rs. Okay. Want to stop? Can I just see a connect? Right view 8. Okay. Okay, I want to see a smaller example. Let's see. This is client and server, so I can look at the client one. Handle client. Okay. Okay, size. Do I need to do that? Okay, I can try that. Just, okay. But can I do that? Whoops. And, yep, like this. How about the, and actually, what do they do here? Data 0 to size. Okay. So that is what the got is, right? We don't. we do get to this point. If we don't ever print anything. I think it hangs on the read. Okay. It's U8. Ooh, it's doing stuff now. It's putting out a bunch of zeros. Okay. That's a lot of zeros. Hang on. So that... It's like 50. I don't really want to... Okay, yeah, I don't know what it did. It might have actually gotten to the end. Client. Alright, let's see. So connect. Yeah, that's that. Same thing. Message. Okay. Read exact. Could that be helpful? Let me try. Let me try. Yeah, I don't want to print the bucket. So, yeah. Does this? Let's help, but that's probably a good idea to make sure. And then read exact. What does that do? Exact. Okay. Yeah. Can you from UTF-8, or is that? Yeah. Okay. Actually, I guess that's what I'm doing there, so makes sense. Okay. Pass that into there. Yeah. So maybe after a second, it will start saying stuff, because I just want to see the response. Okay. And then just ended. Yeah, so we're not printing out the response. Let's break. Wait, let me try it. Are we just failing over it? No. Might print fail at the end, though. Let me do... Let's look at West IRC. Let's see. Don't want to create, though. Want to... Whoops. Let's see. I did fail. Okay. So this just fails when we try to read it. That's probably because it sends a ping, and then it doesn't respond, right? I think so. And here, yeah, I have this again. So that is what I'm using for all that. That is the correct thing here. So I don't want this. What is this about? No. IRC. I just want the client. Is there no... Rest IRC. Let's see. Well, let's IRC. Source. And, okay. One file. So, yeah. Whoops. Alright. Get that. Alright, so that's using some macro stuff. Let's see. Oh, yeah, this is not... Huh. Okay. I just want to print the output of this. Print what we get, and we're not getting anything. Connect. I don't know why it's not getting anything. Right, let me get rid of this. So the join should work fine. Because when I do join, that is joining, it's the same thing. Yeah. Okay. So Yeah. Mm. Alright, let me just make this, make it like this. And then it will just crash like that. And I will know better. No more that it crashes. And then, here it is. And I still need a way to break though. Huh. Okay. Let's break after one pass. And let's see. So yeah, and then it's gonna crash all the same. Okay. We're not getting anything. God. Yeah. Alright, let me look more at the documentation. TCP stream. Okay. And then read exact. Let me look at what that does. Okay, read exact. Okay. Yeah, I don't need that. Okay. Yeah, I don't think that changed anything, but okay. Let's go back. Read to end. Let me try that. Yeah, that did crash. Unexpected end of file. Failed to fill the whole buffer. Ooh, is the buffer too large, actually? Okay, it needs to be a vector. That's fine. 8. Actually, I can just initialize it like this. Yeah, there we go. And, let's see, read to end. So, read to end. Read to string. It's all bytes until end of file, yeah. More data. Okay, and then we'll see if it crashes. Printing out 0. Okay. So it didn't crash. It just didn't. So it didn't get any bytes. So that is not good. Let me do this. Connect to it. Let's see what it actually returns if you just do that. Okay. And then if I send in, if I do this, it's gonna fail, right? Oh yeah. Yeah, let me see if I can get it to do that. So if I send that first, it should say that. There we go. It should return that. Yeah, unused, that's fine. And it doesn't return that. But I'm also trying to send that. So I just want to send the one. Yeah, same thing. Let me do else here as well. Okay. And what will it do? Right, yeah, so it still is just reading nothing. So, but it's not failing this time, so that's good, but, let's see. I don't think you can read with that, can you? Okay, I guess that is valid. So, pre-allocating. Can I do that then? Read line. Yeah, not found in there. So, right, can't really do that. Let me not break that. So we are start to reading something. We do start to read something. And then yeah, we'll see if it read something on the next iteration. Yeah, I don't need that anymore. Read to string. Okay, yeah, and then it starts printing 0. So it's just reading 0 over and over again. Nothing. But that is all right. So it should be saying something like this. So maybe the right is not the problem. Because, yeah, if we do that, then I think it just does nothing, so we can see what happens. But, stream.write. Okay. Right. Do I need to flush? Data is that. Okay. So, let's see. We call to write on there is a system call. I read or write, but I don't have that. Okay, so flush. I do not flush. Oops. Let's see. So, oh yeah, I need to handle that as well. And then, yeah, that is just with that. Maybe I'll move this after here. Okay. What is right return actually? Right. So it returns a result. Okay. Of the size. Yeah. Alright, same thing. And then it panics. Okay. Broken pipe. Broken pipe. Air. Right, the socket is closed. Uh-huh. I would try connecting to a different one, but I don't want to leak the IP again. Maybe I'll do that anyway. Let's do it on the second screen. Because I was getting something there. Maybe I can find out more what's going on. So yeah, I'm going to run it over here. I'm going to connect to freenode.org, I think. So yeah, and then Alright, it might actually, might be not net. Okay. Renode. Forget what it is. Let's see. So, we have chat. Oh, okay. IRC.renode or... Okay, let me try chat. Okay. Okay, so I can't... Oh, I can't find the unread. Alright. There we go. That was actually... Alright, so now I'm getting response. Alright, he's printing out the IP address. Let me see if... Looking up... could not resolve... Alright, and then I want to move this... move this back out here. And then... Let's see. So it should do that before we get any response. Yeah, I don't want to print this anymore either. Okay, so looking up your ident. Okay. Let me also write the username. It doesn't matter what it is. I don't think that'll be taken, so let me try to connect as well. Yeah, I don't think it's sending anything. It's not good. Alright, so I don't want to really send this on every iteration, but I can try that. Yeah. Yeah, so the write is not working. So how can I get it to work? Right. Can I try that? Alright, let me undo that. Let me back out here. Like this. And then, yeah. Just do right. And put the... yeah, it doesn't want that. Then... Okay, yeah, that can... I don't know how to tell if it actually sends anything. Let me do... Huh. Yeah, so I might need a different way to write. Right. Yeah, I guess I could check the output of that. Not right. Like that, and then what's that? And then bytes. And let's see. So yeah, I'm gonna run it over here. So it said 9. Okay. That is 9. So it says that they're written. Will it write them on each iteration? Yeah, it says 9 written over and over again. Let me send what it... Oops, I just printed that. That's not what I meant to do. I need to grab... let's grab this. Okay. And yeah, it still says the same thing. So it writes 9 every time. So let me write... It is... Okay. Yeah, and I can't redeclare that, so I'll do that. Okay. So I don't really care about the output of that. And let's see, will that work? The connect, let me do join. Yeah, it's not joining though. I'm pretty sure it joins even if it does give an output if you send that. So it's not yeah. I can't show it, but when I typed it, it sent a response saying you have not registered, but it does not send that. It does not send that when I send it in here. So that is an issue. Bez Savasti followed. Thank you. Appreciate it. Okay, so write all. I want write. Just to write them. Hey there, how are you doing? Flush signals that do not flush. That should send the bytes. I am flushing it. Alright, and well, I am doing good. Glad to hear that you are doing alright. Okay. Do not flush, yeah. Okay. Can't run it there though. Yeah, so that doesn't work. Okay. Let me not send this. Let me send that. Written is not recognized. Okay. And yeah, so it's not sending. So stream. Okay, connect. Huh. I do it after. Written. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, same thing. So right all. I don't think that will work. Let's see. Can I do? If I could get it to send the data, then I could do the Twitch one, and it would be working. Then I don't have to do it on the second monitor. Okay. Read line. Flush. Let me read it again after doing that. Let me also increase this. It's too loud. I'm gonna be too big. Yeah, okay, because it was cutting off, so. Yeah. Still not working. I don't know if I'm supposed to do that every time or query it all up and then do it. I'm not sure. This actually needs to be. Okay, I need to make a buffer like that. Perhaps, because we can read from it. Let me try that. So with the stream. Okay, so we get the stream up here. So, okay. I'm going to have to import that as well. From the client. From the stream. From the stream, okay. The client, yeah, that's something different. Yeah, and then I can import this. Actually, I think it might be already imported. No, okay, it's not. Yeah, alright, I see. It's from that one. Right there, okay. And let's see. So, then I want to, instead of doing this, okay. Instead of that, I want to writer.write. Okay. And okay. Like that. And then flush. Oh yeah, so that's why we need the clone. So I can just do stream.clone. Yeah. Oh, you can't do that clone. Try clone. Not mutable. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Mutable. Yeah. Still, it did not work. So, does this also return? Can I do that? And then let's go and print it out again. And let's see. So it does return that. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so that didn't do anything for me. What's that? If I do this as bytes, will it? It does the same thing, right? Yeah, it doesn't matter. Okay. Just syntactic sugar or whatever, right? Okay. TCP stream. Connect. Yeah, this is just the documentation. Let me look. Does this work when it's a clone? If I understand correctly, this is a console chat. I'm sorry about my English. Yeah, it's all good. Well, so basically, what it's IRC, and then yeah, you can connect to it. Connect to it for a chat. That's not what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to make it for a Twitch bot. But the one that I'm testing right now is just a chat thing. So basically, you connect to it, and then you can send chats, and other people can send chats back. It's kind of like Discord. And yeah, a lot of times you can do it through terminal, and there's some other applications as well. which are like graphical. Yeah. Okay. Let me do actually that. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, I don't want to use that. Do not want a library. This is a. Oh yeah, it's a crate. Okay. And this, yeah, that is a crate as well, I think. I think so. Just want to see someone who writes to it. Yeah, so this is what I'm trying to send, like that. Actually, could that be part of the issue? We're not, no. It's not sending. So. Alright, so. In reader.read lines. Maybe I should try using a reader. I don't think that matters for writing though. I want to see how to write. Yeah. Is there a part 2 on this? They write. Okay, this is very old actually. Buff writer. Huh. Do I need that at the end actually? Do I need that? Ooh. Okay. I did need that. Because now it is saying stuff. Okay. Hold on. Hold on. TV. I want to try that, and then instead of doing that, I want to actually do that. I think I need to flush as well, and then do that, and do this. Okay, so I want to try that and see. Written is not a thing anymore. Whoops. Okay, and yeah, so it doesn't say anything back on here. Let me try to do this again as well, because I don't think it does say anything back. Yeah. All right. We're gonna go back to the free node real quick, and try to send the username, and actually this is supposed to be Nick. That could be an issue. And if I try to connect to this and I send, yeah, then it doesn't send anything back. Okay. Yeah, so let me actually try that again. Okay. And try to send that. So try to just send the nick, because you're actually supposed to send the password first. Yeah, I want to send the nick, and then okay, it doesn't say anything. Oh yeah, I didn't need to do that. I forgot that was what I was. Yeah. Okay. Okay, and do this as well, and I'm going to need. Okay, something like that. And actually. Okay, and there we go. Now we are getting responses. Okay. And it did actually send something in the chat. Okay. So now if I connect, it's going to send a test in the chat. And yeah, it did. Yeah, nothing in there is sensitive. So there we go. Now we actually connected. All right, I'm very happy about that. Yeah. So it's just with that the ending characters that I forgot about. Okay, and let me see. So we don't need to join and send that. And okay. So we do want to join, and we want to send all this. So that is fine. That is fine to do, and I'll keep the print connected. This is reading. Yeah. So if I run this down, it will connect, and then anyone says anything in the chat, it will print out there. Let's see, where did it actually print? Yeah, test. There we go, right there. Okay. And it's printing a lot of other stuff as well. Okay, probably because I'm reading it twice. Yeah, so reset it. And now, test again. And it did say test. It's still printing out this. Oh, is it connecting every time? Okay, well, I can actually get this. So if we can detect then if it's a private message that is sent and do stuff based upon that. Okay. And what else? What else? And we can send stuff. So probably once we join, it's a good idea to send message that and say just I joined the chat. Just to know that it does join. Didn't say anything. Did I format that wrong? Yeah, I didn't say anything. I think I messed it up. Oops. It's not gonna work. Oh yeah, so I need a colon like that. And then it said it. Alright, there we go. It actually can show proof. I did actually say stuff. Yes. Okay. So that is good then. So we can say stuff. So we should probably implement something to parse whenever we get a message, and only print it out if it is a private message. So basically, I think we can do that. Can we check if str.contains? None of this will work, but private message. Then just print it out. Otherwise, we don't print it out. Let's see, will that work? So, hello. And okay, and then it did print it out. But also print out all the. Ooh, actually, I think yeah. So we want to just read line. Can't do that. Basically, so we want to just read until it's a new line. I might have to set up one of the buff right readers, because then that would allow us to just read the line. So I think I can do this. Reader, buff reader, and then instead of this, do reader. Okay. Read it. Read line. Yeah. Without it. Okay. And where am I doing this? Let's see. There we go. And now arguments to this. Okay, so it needs to be a vector. No, it needs to be a string. Okay. Okay. New string new. There we go. And oh yeah. Someone can just print it out, I think, as a string. Basically. Can I do that? Use that. Alright, so that doesn't work. Because we have the so we need to the buffer. So let's start buffer. Yeah, buffer that color. Sure. And want it to print something else. Okay, and yeah, still did that. I wanted to reset the buffer each time. So can I actually just do this? Okay, there we go. And hello. Okay, yeah, so that's what I wanted. So now we print out if it is a private message, and then there's certain parsing we can do. by checking where characters are. It is hard to tell when it's just my username like this. Alright, so I think that this first one is the username of the person sending the message. And then anything after the colon is the actual message. So, because those are all that we need right now. Yeah. So let me actually, I'm going to take a quick break, like 3 minutes. So I will be right back. Okay, I am back. So, alright, so yeah, now we can get the messages. When they are sent, I can show like this. I can send a message, and it will show up here. That is the message. So that works. So yeah, I'm just gonna make a couple of functions to do this stuff, and then next stream I'll be actually making it into more of a library that I can just import, and then I'll build a switch bot. Why you create stir? How do you mean? You mean here? Is that what you mean? Right here? That is what you mean. Why you clone buff to stir? Oh yeah. I just did that because I don't want to change the name yet. Yeah. I see what you mean. Yeah, I can do that. Yeah, I was doing that because I was doing this, before, when it was a vector. Yeah, thank you for pointing that out, actually. I forgot about that. Now I messed up because, yes, this is going to be parse message. Yeah, okay, I got that right now. And string doesn't exist, so beef buff. Okay, and there we go. Yeah. So thank you for pointing that out. Alright, so yeah, parse message. So you just want to send a message in there. And then we want to get it. So is there like basically trim by delimiter. Trim by delimiter. Something like that. Because string trimming, let's see. Trim. So yeah, not like that. Maybe it's split. Split is what I want. Let me get rid of this because I don't want it right now. Okay. So yeah. Split 1, 2, 3. Okay, can I do that? So basically just, I'll write it in here and then I will move it into a function. So just, let message equal dot split, and just do that, and then I want to just print message 0. Can I do that? And that should be the username. I have to actually, oops, I need to do that. So you cannot index it like that. I just print message. Needs to be okay. And okay, and this is what we get. So can I get haystack? Okay. Can I just do dot collect? Okay, and this is gonna be it's actually gonna be like that. And okay, so there we go. Yeah, so I got that. And then I just want this first part of it. So so the first one is empty. That is expected. So yeah, I think I can just kind of do let username equals message1 split by that dot collect, and then just the 0th one like that. May not work, but something like that. Yeah, all right, maybe I can't do this. Let me do that, and then yeah, okay, so we got that part. So that is what I want, just the first part of that. So yeah, I'll just call this yeah. So then we can use this as well. So we call it that for now, and then I'll make better names. Okay, and then we need to get after that. We have to get ooh, we don't have the last part. So let me see. Let me print out message here. Get rid of this, and let's see what we get. So I didn't print anything. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so we want all right, so this is actually the message. Yeah, because we split. Yeah, okay, I see. So we're gonna get the last part there of the message. So we get this part here in the message 2, so then we can do let username equals message 2 1. So we know that's the username. We can let message equals message so it's gonna be the last part. I think that's always gonna be there though. Alright. I don't think I need this. So, and okay, hello, and then no, alright, so that didn't work. This is the message though. The username did not work. So don't know why. Let me do that, and then so the message is getting properly, but that is not. So do I need to get like that? There we go. Okay, yeah, so I was just doing it wrong. There we go. So we have the username and the message. So that's really all that we need for that. Then we can make a structure for this. So just message. Okay, and that's going to have username string, and then a message. It's also a string. Something like that. And then I'll put it at the top actually. Right up here. And then first message, we can do this and return that. Yeah, there we go. So first and let's see, second and first. Okay. Yeah, I'm not too worried about that. And then we want to take this. We want to take the buff. So yeah, it's gonna be a buff, which is The buff, it's just a string, okay. And we're going to output a message. So then I just want to do message, username is username, and message is message. Okay, and then can I just do parse message, and just put the buffer in. It needs to be mutable as well. Okay, and then let message equal that. Just do message.username, and so it's not going to work first try, but I can run it now. And expected string found stir. Okay, yeah, so I just do 2 string for these. Yeah, but I don't want a reference to it. And then message is not found. So what is message? Ooh, it's because I renamed it. So, and okay, and then I send a message, and it does actually work properly. Okay, very cool, very cool. So, all right, then we can parse the message, and we have the. We might need to get more data later, but for now, that's all that I need. Yeah, cool, very cool. Yeah, he's working with different username. That is good. Okay. Now, nice. Now, okay, we can parse the message. And then, so I could now check if the message starts with bang, like that, and then do commands based off of that. I wanted to do that. Because that's really all that you need for the bot that I have, at least right now. It's just commands like that. Should probably yeah, so I think I'll make just do I want to do that yet? Actually, maybe not. Let me look. So we have that. Should I yeah, I don't really yeah, I think I'll do that. So I can just pretty easily do whoops, and if message 0, I think I can do something like this. Then make a message. And just do send the command. Yeah. And then can alright, so that doesn't work. Oh yeah, because we need to do message not message. Alright, so you can't index it like that. How do you get it again? I forget. I'm pretty sure I looked this up a bunch of times, but rest string index. So you adds bytes. Okay, char at 0. No, 0. Chars. Okay. Oh, that was removed. Okay, I should have actually read the message. Yeah, I can just do. Okay, I'll do chars dot end 0. There we go. And oops. Okay. And some. Okay, I can actually do dot unwrap of that. Okay, there we go. And then if I send one of those, okay, send the command that, and I can test. I guess my other bot is not working then because it didn't say anything. Alright, yeah, test. There we go. So then we could parse the command. So then the rest of the message is everything that comes after that. Okay. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. But this is not for that. This is meant to be like a crate library that I'm going to import into the actual bot that I use. Okay, so it's not too difficult. It's only 53 lines for all that. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Yeah, so I think that'll probably be pretty much it for right now. And then tomorrow when I stream, I will make it more like a library, clean some things up, and then yeah, I can actually read that file. And then yeah, and actually use it for the bot. Okay, this was not too difficult. I will commit this. Got basic connections to IRC working. Sure. So I'll push that. Okay. And yeah, I can close all this. And I should probably add a readme as well. You know it's not much yet, but it's the full IRC client library in Rust. Yeah, I don't have a good name for it, so just Rust IRC. No, not free. Rust IRC. Okay. Okay, and yeah, so that is about it. Okay. There we go. Yeah, so thank you to everyone who was watching. Yeah, I'll see